Well. 3-star rush attack, no nature. And where are we? Won the first two anyway. Defense is costume gunner. Oh, new family thing. Classic family. Ah, right, okay. Okay, fair enough. Hadn't looked at that before. So yeah, running gunner, 2 healers, and 2 trees. Yeah, what the hell. I'd imagine there's going to be a lot of trees, and there's no greens. No greens. Oh, and that's new as well. Huh. Lots of little tweaks. Okay. Looking at... Oh, okay, we're looking at blues. Which was that one? Yeah, I can probably go for the other one. So let's go... Well, we're going to stick a Trevel in, aren't we? We are going to go Hilo. We are going to go Ulmer. We are going to counter that, and we may as well go. May as well go with that. Right. Okay. And I've got to work on my troops. Really got to work on my troops. Okay. And rock and roll. Oh, nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's do this one here first. Let's go that. That'll work. So let's do that. Okay. Okay. Oh. Right. Same again. Same again. Let's do that. I want to see here. Annoying. Oh, stop it. Let's do that. Right, so let's go with a real... again, same again, I think. And sometimes they just want you to win. So that with that one. Oh, we didn't die. Okay, it's the best way around for this. Okay. Not seeming to matter. Okay, more purples than anything else, I think. Let's stick a second Trevel in and go with that. Should have stayed with the multiple blues, but let's do that anyway. Oh, idiot. Damn you. Wow. This is not going well. Definitely, I think more purples needed, more purples needed, more purples needed. Go around Maeve. Now, where's my purple healer? Where's she? There she is there. And are we still gonna... Yes. Gunner them. Okay, let's do that. Wow! There we go. One loss and top 10%. Okay, hope yours is going well, and catch you on the next one.